Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun. Morning, everyone. Sure is peaceful.
Do it! These are the same ingredients as back home, but it tastes so good.
It's organic.
Mater, let's go! You're on!
It was a great move. Hey! Pedo! Pizza.
I can't believe you're here.
Is that the world's fastest racing machine?
Is that hard?
The tires, they say, look at me. Here I am. Love me.
Holy! Oh, holy! Thank you.
okay, James. We're gonna couple up behind you to slow you down. Like I did.
I'm gonna make you scream!
Piston cup.
Hey, what? What's going on?
Nowhere fast. We really should go, Grandmother.
One moment. I'd like to see where this is going.
Crowned the new king of dinosaurs.
I'm asking you to leave.
Come on, I'm a race car. You're a much older race car, but under the hood. Ramon, you have done it again.
It's like the Sistine Chapel on wheels.
It is the sweet taste of my homemade organic fuel.
No, doesn't agree with my taste.
Blamed it on me.
Electric cars don't use oil, you twit.
Then you're faking. You didn't. Then let's cruise, baby. Low and slow.
No creo que Stanley haya cruzado este camino. ¿Qué les pasa? Se dan por vencidos.
Gonna track your speed from the infield. Whipple filter.
Fine, just stay out of the way. Excuse me.
I get it. I know what needs to be done.
Then do it!
What? No, I can't do it.
champ. How's our living legend today?
Still very much alive, thank you.
Don't worry, Mama. McQueen is very sad. I will beat his...
He's overheating.
On my way.
Yep.
Persistent little bugger for a two-cylinder. Finally, I said, all right.
Made Dinoco proud. Thank you, King.
Well, Tex, you've been good to me all these years. This